Sterifab is the only product that disinfects, kills viruses like COVID, and kills many insects, such as all life stages of bedbugs. What's better? Sterifab kills pests on contact and dries in 10 to 15 minutes, leaves no residue, and comes ready to use, meaning no dilution or measurement required. And it's simple to use in 6 easy steps. First, clean all surfaces and objects thoroughly before treatment. Second, choose the container size of Sterifab you need: pint, gallon, or 5-gallon pail. Each pint comes with a sprayer. Third, remove the cap of the pint, insert the sprayer, and twist. For gallons and 5 gallons, pour Sterifab into a Sterifab continuous action sprayer or other pump action sprayer or backpack. Fourth, shake the pint or sprayer. Fifth, spray the surface till it's moist. Sixth, when applied on soft surfaces such as mattresses, bedding, carpeting, and upholstered furniture, let dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. On hard surfaces, wipe dry after 10 to 15 minutes. After Sterifab dries or is wiped clean, no residue remains, and all people and pets can come in the treated area. Give it a try. Visit our website and purchase Sterifab today.